When you're up on an isolated part of the mountain and you watch the drone lift into the sky, you really appreciate the potential and power of innovation and technology to shape the future. I remember sitting down with my graduate students and saying to them, Intel wants to work with us on the Powder Mountain project, and there was kind of this electricity amongst them. We are utilizing virtual reality in the design process of this new community in a way that hasn't been done before. Imagine being able to close your eyes and visualize what you want to create. VR makes that possible. We were working with good computers when we started to explore this area of research. But the new computers provided by Intel and Puget Systems has made a dramatic difference. With the Intel i9 processor at the core of Puget Systems computers, we're now able to work on projects that exceed what we were able to do, and we're doing it faster.
What made it exciting to work with Utah State was learning about what they were really doing with this technology. Because what makes us excited is not just selling a workstation, but selling a workstation that gets a job done. We take this Intel technology and we bring it into the real world, and these are the applications that are really exciting. These are building the future.
It's been great to work with Puget Systems and Intel. It's clear that they both value innovation, and they want to see the use and application of VR succeed and expand beyond being a novelty to becoming a tool that is embedded in workplaces around the globe.